Yeah, Giza here. Thursday, 14th of November. It wasn't a bad day here in the mountains. I'm still pretty well sick, but I'm pretty transparent about a lot of things, so. And I'm done with Dunkin' Donuts. I've been noticing a downturn in the donut product. It's like you're spending money on the name and not on the product. And we can't have that. So I'm looking for value for my dollar, and I'm not getting it from Dunkin' anymore, so they're out of the picture. I have half a dozen donuts in the kitchen, but I think I'm just going to throw them out. Or cut them up into some kind of little bite-sized thing. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I want to share with you what I feel is the best tip I've ever received on YouTube concerning car care or car mechanics. And that was from a mechanic working specifically on Honda elements. And the mechanic was a woman. She said that the best thing a owner of a car could do when trying to track down those unknown noises under the car was to go down and buy yourself a rubber mallet. Don't use a hammer, but a rubber mallet. And when you get under the car, whatever you see that looks like it should be moving, you tap it with the rubber mallet. And based on the sound and the movement of the item, you'll know if it's in need of repair or not. Now, of course, you know, when you hear this, it sounds so simple. But guess what? It was correct.